Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your Ethereum from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe. First of all, go to link at address to copy your Ethereum wallet address from MetaMask. This is my Ethereum wallet address. I copy it. I come in this website. This website link available in description. Paste your Ethereum wallet address in here and just click login. And after click on login, just click continue. Okay, wait few seconds so this two ads will be load completely and just click login. Okay, continue, sorry, login. And first of all, solve this capture. Just click the first capture is launched. Okay, solve for this first capture is and capture. And after that, just solve the recapture. Just click in recapture and just click verify capture. And you can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay, and you can see a lot of people making amount from this website. Thanks for watching guys, and right now I go to share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. Did this website pay me or not? And thanks for watching guys. This website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay, and this website link available in description. Bye bye for now.